welcome back to my channel. So I've had this idea in my head for a minute. I wanted to do something with like green slime coming out of my eyes and just like toxic waste acid kind of stuff. My boyfriend suggested that I just paint myself yellow and then do the symbol and do the green slime like I said. And I thought that was a great idea. I looked up how to do some like acid burns with SFX makeup and I think they came out pretty well. I'm super happy with this look. I think it's really awesome. I'm like an acid queen. Toxic queen. So if you want to know how I created this look today, then keep on watching. Okay, I have no idea what I'm going to do for this, but I know that I'm going to do the toxic waste symbol on my forehead with some black. So I think I might do that first because I don't want to go over the yellow with the black in case I mess it up. So I'm just going to do it first and then maybe try to just go around it, I guess. I don't really know. Should I just do it over it? Maybe I should just paint myself yellow and work from there. So I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to prime my skin with a little bit of my Benefit Professional Face Primer. I'm going to moisturize my lips really fast too, just with some chapstick. Alright, now I'm going to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and put foundation all over my face, just a nice light layer to give the pigment something to stick to. Now that I'm thinking about it, I might do what I did with my red ingredient drawing look and just like do a very big winged eyeliner. I don't really know yet. Maybe make it like a drippy eyeliner. That would be kind of cool actually. Going to blend it out with my M439 brush. So I didn't do a very good job at cleaning off the brush that I used to paint myself red, so I'm going to paint myself yellow, but it is a little bit of a orangish yellow now. But I'm still going to be using the Makeup Up Murder Neon Yellow Poison Pigment. I'm just mixing it with a little bit of water so it glides on like paint. Alright, let's paint myself yellow. Ooh, she's cold. Okay, now that I am all yellow, I'm going to begin by first making the toxic waste symbol with black eyeliner on my forehead. Okay, just did the toxic waste symbol. I know it's not the best, and I'm sorry I didn't film it. I just had to really focus on what I was doing and looking at the picture. Now I'm going to attempt to map out the burns with some liquid latex on the back of a brush. I'm pretty sure that's how I'm gonna do it. I really just want to use this part of the brush and not the end of it, but I saw somebody use the end of their brush, so kind of want to do it like that. Not really sure. I'm just gonna go with the actual brush part until it doesn't work. So I'm just going to go over this a few times, do some extra layers, and do the same thing up here. So while that's drying, I will do the one on my forehead. Trying to keep it away from all the hairs on my like forehead and face. And I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm happy with how raised they are. Okay, I'm done with the burns. I added an extra one over here. It's still not really dry yet, but while that is drying, I'll show you guys how I'm going to be painting these. I'm going to keep them relatively shiny, but I'm going to use some bruised colored eyeshadows, and so like greens and dark reds, a little bit of blues and purples, and I'm going to take some of my fake blood and put that just in the deepest little crevices. First I'm going to go in with the shade Sour from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Strawbreaker palette, just on a fluffy brush, and just put that everywhere. I'm going to dust over some of that neon yellow pigment as well, just because I want to. I don't know. My brain's telling me to, so that's what we're gonna do. Although I want this to be a realistic kind of burn, at the same time, I don't, just because, like, I'm neon yellow right now, so I'm kind of just, like, in this neon vibe. So I'm going to take some of the neon green pigment and put that over the burns as well. Oh yeah, I like this textured look. That's exactly what we're going for. Oh yeah, this is really coming together now. Okay, now I'm going to take, like I said before, some red eyeshadow and just put that in the deepest little crevices. Going to be using licorice and raspberry from that same Jeffree Star palette. Just kind of make things look a little dark and muddy. I'm going to add the fake blood last. Now for the eyes. I'm going to be doing some like neon green drips coming out of my eyes, so I'm going to first take a white eyeliner pencil and tightline my eyes and actually make them a little bit bigger by making the bottom inner corner area white, so it makes my eyes look larger. And yeah, let's do it. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics white concealer on a small detailing brush and go in there and clean this up. Now with some of the green neon pigment mixed with some water, I'm going to create the green drips. Now I'm going to take the dry pigment and intensify this area of the drips. Okay, now I'm going to do a black liquid eyeliner and I'm going to make that drippy as well. Super excited for this. I think I'm going to outline this part in black as well really fast. Okay, now I'm going to take some of Sour and that green neon pigment and just darken up my crease to give it some shadows and depth in my eye area. I'm going to take the white concealer and put that under my eyes, and then I'm going to go over that with the green pigment. Alright, I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I think I am done with this look after I add in the fake blood. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.